Hi everyone, this is Taysom again, and I have another photo book, another unboxing of a fan site set. I got 3 yesterday, the Flying Petals for DVD, the and calendar set, the Cotton Candy 3rd photo book set, and then the Flying Petals 3rd photo book set. This one is the Flying Petals 3rd photo book set. I purchased it around July, and I just got it now. Cotton Candy is now closed down, which I'm really sad about, but I'm really happy that I was able to get the last DVD set. So without further ado, here we go. So here is the packaging of it. It comes in a nice zipper bag, and it has a super cute sticker. It says, "You're my delight of all, Cotton Candy," because "You're my delight of all" is the name of the set. So let's get the contents out. The photo book, it's like a B3 photo book or something like that. I forget the size of it. It's small, but it's small compared to the Flying Petals one, but it's still cute. So oh, they don't have much. Maybe there's a lot more in here. I don't know. So now here. So let's start with the special goods first. As you can see, alright, so the back of this says, "Keep calm and love, T.Y. Taeyeon, you're my delight of all, Cotton Candy," and when I flip it over, it is an electromagnetic sticker. It features a Taeyeon fan art from an airport. It's super cute, and on the back is a picture of Taeyeon's back. And now here are some photo cards. Oh, Taeyeon 3rd Japan tour. Beep beep, she looks super cute. The back of this, "You're my delight of all." Kind of a funky back. It's cool. The second one looks to be from the Lottie fan sign that back in 2013 with a different design in the back. Oh whoa, that's super cool. So it's like the outfit that Taeyeon wore for the 2013 tour. It says, "You're my delight of all" again in the corner. The next card, I'm not sure where this one comes from exactly. Oh, it actually looks like a performance of some sort though, and Taeyeon is singing. The back of it says Cotton Candy, the fan site name. Next is a horizontal one from the airport. Oh yeah, this is definitely from an airport. It's from like April, I think it was. And it says, "I love Taeyeon," of course. That's a super cute back too. And then this is definitely from Mr. era. And it says, "You're my delight of all," and it has like a cute truck thing. And that says Cotton Candy on it. Then the next one of these comes from the seal, the fan sign, one of the fan signs. And on the back of it, it's like the design of the tie that they wore with "You're My Delight of All." So those photo cards are actually like super nice. They all had like all of them had different backs, which are unique, and I like that. The next is a fan. I don't really have that many fans, so this is kind of nice. And the back of it says, "Keep calm and love, Tan." And next, we come to the DVD. Oh. I actually know where my scissors are, so let's see if my scissors will help me. Alright. Alright. So then, this is the DVD for "You're My Delight of All." It is supposed to be a 2-disc set. I'm really excited because the Cotton Candies was a really good photographer of tans for several years. So let's see what the set contains. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, this is nice. So it contains, in addition to a DVD, it contains a Girls and Peace book. So, let's see. So first off, the DVD. The track list. Two CDs. Trying to get it to focus on the lettering, but I guess it's not gonna do that for me. Oh, there, you can see it now. And then the disc design. That's super neat. Next, this Girls and Peace booklet. I'm not going to go through like it exactly, but here's the first one. 2013 Girls' Generation World Tour Girls in Peace in Cotton Candy. Focusing on this, so. Oh, yes, Taney. Oh, yes. Taeyeon, you're so cute. Oh my god, her tongue. Taeyeon, that's illegal. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is definitely illegal. Illegal beyond all belief. Okay, so now let's flip through the rest of the photo book. Oh my god. This is really nice though, because it like experiments with like all different sorts of text, and yes. And look, it's already 10 minutes in, and I haven't even gotten to the photo book yet. A plus, Miranda. So now, here comes the next best part. The photo book. (2014-311) sketchbook. I want to dream forever with you like this. The one who became my miracle. The one who dreamed with me. With you. That's super sweet. Look! And the lollipop. Oh my god, this is like super neat. Like, look at all of the cute text and the cute girl. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Hang on. I need to stop being cute. Oh, look at this. Okay, so now let's just flip through a little bit. The Golden Disc Awards. Ooh. Ooh, so let's see. This one will have, of course, it has photos of Tan looking pretty. Then, oh, look at this page. This page is good. Look at the Tanny. Look at my OTP, and look at Tane looking cute. It's so cute. Cute. Oh my god, this is illegal. Oh, Taeyeon. 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 So now let's flip to another random part in the book. I'm respecting the fan site's wishes and not gonna like flip through and post that many photos. Oh god, yeah, that's illegal. So now let's go to the end of the book. This says, oh, Gan. I'm not sure what that says. I can't read it exactly. Oh my god. Taeyeon! This is, oh no. Illegal. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then this is the last page of the book. You're my delight of all. So I haven't exactly like gone through all of the photos yet, but from what I can tell, this is an awesome set. And if you do have the money, that you should get it. What I also like about this photo book is that the front cover of the book actually features a photo of Tan, which some fan sites don't exactly do. So it's really nice that they include a photo of her on the front. Anyways, to sum it up, here is the set. It has the photo book, the photo cards, the Girls in Peace mini book that was included with the DVDs, the DVD, and a fan. Good set. I'm not sure if it's available on eBay or not. Probably not. The fan site is now closed down, so you won't be able to get it through the fan site. But I'm really glad that I got this. I'll see you guys again soon. probably in a few minutes I'll film another one. Bye.